Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday, I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today, I will talk to you about Mitsui Outlet Park, Osaka Kadoma. If you want to enjoy shopping in Osaka, you should visit Mitsui Outlet Park, Osaka Kadoma. This shopping center opened on April 17, 2023. It is a new shopping spot that was built when the popular Mitsui Outlet Park Osaka Tsurumi moved to a bigger location. The best thing about this place is its size and special design. In the same building, you can find both Mitsui Shopping Park, LaLaport Kadoma, and Mitsui Outlet Park, Osaka Kadoma. Together, they have about 250 shops. LaLaport is on the first and third floors, and the outlet is on the second floor. So you can enjoy daily shopping and special brand shopping at the same time. This kind of mixed shopping center is very rare in Japan. The outlet floor has about 100 shops, including popular brands such as Adidas, Nike, Coach, Beams, and Puma. Some brands have opened their first shop in the Kansai area here. You can buy high-quality items at low prices. On the third floor, there is a food court. You can also find shop from Kuromon Market, which is famous for its lovely Osaka atmosphere. Between shoppings, you can enjoy Osaka food such as takoyaki and seafood. To get there, it's about an 8-minute walk from Kadomashi Station on the Keihan Line or Osaka monorail. From Kadoma Minami Station on the Osaka Metro Nagamori Tsurumi Ryokuchi line, you can take a Keihan bus. It takes about 20 minutes. The shops are open from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and restaurants open from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Please come enjoy this new popular spot in the Kansai area for a whole day. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.